Stop buying the wrong high-end robot vacuum in 2026. You are about to spend $1,000 or more on one of the most sophisticated pieces of tech for your home. And let me tell you, as someone who has put every premium bot through its paces, you do not want to regret this purchase. We're talking about the best of the best, the top tier, the robots that redefine clean. But only one can reign supreme, and I can tell you right now, the #1 spot this year. It absolutely blew us away with its hands-off cleaning and floor-transforming power. So listen up, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly which premium robot vacuum belongs in your home. Let's kick things off with a fantastic option for those who want serious smarts without completely emptying their wallet. Coming in at number 5, we have the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Shark AI Ultra earns its spot as a premium pick because it brings some seriously advanced tech to a more accessible price point in this high-end category. Its best features are undoubtedly its precise AI laser navigation and object detection, which create incredibly detailed maps of your home and avoid obstacles with impressive accuracy. It's also a beast at vacuuming, with powerful suction that handles pet hair and deep carpets like a champ, and of course, it comes with a self-emptying base for weeks of hands-free dirt disposal. This is for the smart homeowner who wants top-tier cleaning and navigation technology, but also appreciates real value. Now for its one honest flaw. While it does have some mopping functionality, it's fairly basic compared to the dedicated mopping powerhouses you'll see higher up this list. It's more of a quick wipe than a deep scrub. Still with me? Good. Because if keeping your floors spotless and free from unexpected surprises is your top priority, our next contender is practically a guardian angel. Moving up to number 4, we have the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. The Roomba J7 Plus is an absolute legend for a reason. Its standout feature, the one that truly sets it apart, is its precision vision navigation and POP guarantee. That's pet owner official promise. This bot is specifically designed to identify and avoid common household hazards like charging cables, socks, and yes, pet waste. It's rock solid, reliable, and practically impossible to stump. Add to that iRobot's robust app ecosystem, powerful vacuuming, and a self-emptying base, and you have a workhorse that consistently gets the job done. This is who it's for, pet owners, especially those with accident-prone furry friends, or anyone who frequently leaves miscellaneous items on the floor and wants peace of mind. Now, its honest flaw, for a premium robot, its cleaning capabilities are primarily focused on vacuuming. If advanced, integrated mopping is a non-negotiable for you, the J7 Plus might leave you wanting more. Alright, we're heating up. Before we get to our top 2, there's another contender that blew us away with its all-in-one capabilities and pure convenience. Sliding into our number 3 spot is the Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni. The Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni takes hands-off cleaning to an entirely new level. Its best features revolve around its truly comprehensive Omni station. Not only does it auto-empty the dustbin, but it also auto-washes, auto-dries, and even auto-refills the robot's water tank for mopping. We're talking weeks, if not months, without needing to interact with the bot. Plus, it features powerful suction, excellent sonic mopping that scrubs floors clean, and precise navigation. This is who it's for, the tech enthusiast who wants the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it experience, and truly pristine, mopped floors with minimal effort. Its one honest flaw: the robot itself and especially the Omni station are quite large, so you need a dedicated space for it. Also, the app, while functional, can sometimes feel a bit less intuitive than some competitors. We are down to the top 2, and let me tell you, it was a battle. Our runner-up, just narrowly missing the top spot, is an absolute powerhouse. At number 2, give it up for the DreameL10s Ultra. The DreameL10s Ultra is an incredible feat of engineering, packing virtually every premium feature you could want into one device. Its best features include a stunningly effective all-in-one auto dock that auto-empties, auto-washes, auto-dries the mop pads with hot air, and even auto-refills the water tank. Its suction power is phenomenal, its mopping with dual rotating pads is deeply impressive, and its AI obstacle avoidance is top-tier. It consistently delivers sparkling clean floors, both vacuumed and mopped, with remarkable efficiency. This robot is for those who demand the absolute best in comprehensive cleaning and hands-off convenience, often at a slightly more competitive price point than the absolute most expensive options on the market. Its one honest flaw: while its obstacle avoidance is fantastic, it doesn't offer the same specific poo guarantee and fail-safe reputation as the Roomba for truly unpredictable messes. Alright, the moment you've been waiting for. The best of the best. The undisputed champion of high-end robot vacuums in 2026. Taking our number one spot is the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is, without a doubt, the pinnacle of robot vacuum technology right now. What makes it number one? It combines virtually every feature from its closest competitors and refines them into an almost flawless cleaning machine. Its best features are the truly next-level RockDock Ultra, which not only auto-empties, auto-washes, and auto-dries the mop, but also auto-refills the water tank from its massive reservoirs, giving you months of hands-off cleaning. The robot itself boasts a groundbreaking dual-roller brush system for superior carpet cleaning, incredible 6,000 pascals suction, and the Viberize 2.0 sonic mopping system that vibrates at 3,000 times a minute and auto-lifts on carpets. Its reactive AI 2.0 obstacle avoidance is incredibly smart, and the app experience is intuitive and powerful. This is who it's for: anyone who demands the absolute best, wants perfectly clean floors with virtually no effort, and is willing to invest in the ultimate robot cleaning experience. Its one honest flaw: it's extremely expensive, the most costly on this list, and its footprint with the massive all-in-one dock is substantial, so you need to factor that into your space planning. But if you have the budget, this is the one to get. There you have it, the best high-end robot vacuums of 2026. Every single one of these machines is fantastic, but the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra truly stands above the rest for its comprehensive features and unmatched performance. If you want to grab any of these premium picks at the absolute best prices available right now, make sure to check the pinned comment and description below for direct links. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more epic tech reviews, and let me know in the comments which premium robot vacuum you're eyeing.